What up, y'all? I was at a consignee, well, shipper, and look at this street. It's called Gaylord. Man, I'm in Utah right now, and y'all see that hail falling down? That's little ice pellets coming down on your boy. Crazy out here. Beautiful. Looks like a dam is being built right here. But I'm in Utah right now. Just wanted to get this scenery. You know how I do. Y'all know how I do by now. Gotta slow it on down. Slow it on down. But yeah, I'm in Utah headed to Wyoming. Warn all y'all rookies. I'm gonna warn all y'all rookie truck drivers that want to get into this shit. Think about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't just be like, don't look at the dollar signs and be like, oh yeah, I want to do truck driving. Cause bruh, it's certain cities in the United States. Denver, Colorado is one of them. That's where I'm at right now. You have to be an expert driver in order to drive out here, bro. You gotta be an expert driver. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like 90% construction out here. It is crazy out here right now, bro. Like in Denver, Colorado, you have to drive during the daytime. It's impossible to do it at night. I mean, you could do it at night, but you have a high risk of hitting something or somebody. So all my people that's trying to get that CDL, and think about that shit before you do it. You know what I mean? Your boy Las Vegas Nights. We out. I'm in Denver. It's rough out here. Look at all this YouTube. This is what I'm talking about. All this construction in Denver, Colorado. Oh yeah, and the traffic too. Let's not forget about that. Look at this, bro. It's just non-stop construction in Denver. Is this what you really want to get into? Think about it. Then holler. I holler. YouTube, I'm in New Mexico. Never been out here before, but look, they actually got a city called Las Vegas, New Mexico. But yeah, I'm out here in New Mexico though. It ain't nothing out here. This shit reminds me of Arizona, low-key. I thought it would be beautiful out here. I mean, it low-key, I don't know. I guess this is how Mexico looks. This is probably like a precursor to Mexico, New Mexico. I mean, look at this. It's just nothing out here. But there it is, y'all. Las Vegas, New Mexico. That's crazy. Don't look nothing like Las Vegas, though. Do it. What up, YouTube? Out here in New Mexico. About to leave in a second. Just wanted to kind of, sort of get a little visual on it. You know what I'm saying? That's the back so I can zoom in. Feel me? It's beautiful out here. I ain't gonna front. Never been to New Mexico, so. Oh, they got firecrackers out here. They got firecrackers at a Pilot, bro. At a gas station in New Mexico. Oh shit. Y'all already know your boy gonna stack up on these. Ooh. Oh man, look at the Big Daddy, the Red Devil, Cave Buster. Damn. Oh man, this is like my childhood right here. Smoke ball. Damn. Oh, the Big Daddy, Land of Liberty. Oh, man. Oh man. You know I gotta get some. You already know. YouTube. I wound up spending $70 in motherfucking firecrackers. 71.37. So let me open this up and show y'all what I got. Yeah. Alright y'all, so since I'm in New Mexico and firecrackers like of this magnitude are illegal in Vegas, so you gotta travel outside of Nevada in order to get fireworks like this. Like, they're illegal in Vegas. Like, the only ones you can get is like these little like small ones and shit. So since I'm out here in New Mexico and they just got nothing but fireworks and shit, you know what I'm saying, I was like, fuck that, let me go ahead and buy these up, so when I go back to Vegas for home time, put all these in my storage unit and I'll be ready for the 4th of July, y'all. So let's get into them. So these, I remember these in my childhood, the ones where you stick in the ground, or you can even hold them in your hand and they just, they shoot in the sky. So I got 3 packs of these, comes with 6. No, I got 4 packs actually. 4 packs of those. I got this big box of different little firecrackers that shoot in the sky. I got some Roman candles, the ones that shoot out those balls like, you know what I'm saying? I got that. Next, everybody that was ever a kid knows what these are. These are those ones where you just light it up and it pops. I had to get some of these. Now I'm gonna save 2 packs of these and put them in my shift inventory. You know what I'm saying? Shit hits the fan, so I could just have these, you know what I'm saying, just for emergency situations, and I'll shoot one for the 4th of July. Next, I got some of these jumping jacks. I don't know what these are. These, oh yeah, these are probably the spinner ones, I think. Next, I got this big ass zombie box. I don't know what this is. Then I got some smoke bombs. I used to love these as a kid, the smoke bombs. I got 2 packs of those. And I know y'all remember these can of worms. When you light it up and then it looks like it's doo-dooing, like it be doing that shit. This one broke on me, so it left all this powder in the bag, all that gunpowder. And last but not least, I got the Big Daddy right here, Piranha Attack. I think I paid the most. I think this one cost the most. I don't know what this is, but 19 shots. I got it just because it's big. So this is all I got in fireworks. Like I said, I spent $71 up here in Jamestown, New Mexico. And let me see how much that Piranha Attack was. Oh, it was $12.99. And then the Mercury tray was $17.99. That's what this is. All right, just wanted to show y'all what I got. Peace. I'm up here at Denny's at the Pilot in New Mexico. I had to get around to. All right, y'all, I had to go in there one more time, Give me something to eat. I'm on my 30-minute break. As y'all can see, I got the Santa Fe skillet from Denny's. I got 4 sunny side up. Over easy eggs on the top. And on the bottom, look at all that juicy goodness. Oh man, almost busted it. No homo. But that's my Santa Fe skillet with my, you know what I'm saying? Got some Subway cookies, 2 peanut butter, 1 chocolate chip. Got something to drink with it. And this is what I wanted to show y'all. Y'all remember that one scene? I had to go back in there and get some more. I just got these. Y'all remember that one scene in Home Alone where Macaulay Culkin put these in the pot, and Joe Pesci and that other burglar, he put them in the pot and then lit them up, and they was all screaming like some little bitches. And at the end, cause Macaulay Culkin played the videotape, and at the end he was like, "Keep the change, you filthy animal." And ever since then, I always wanted to have a strip of Mad Dogs. Man, yeah. Mexico landscape. You know what I'm saying? Looks kind of like a mixture of Wyoming and Utah. A little bit. World's largest Indian reservation between New Mexico and Arizona. Entering Arizona, leaving New Mexico. That was the sign. And look at this, y'all. 6% downgrade next 4 miles. Fuck. Let me get to it. Alright, y'all, holla. Wow. I'm on the I-17 South in Arizona, and this shit is amazing to look at. Arizona sunset, y'all. Wow. Can't say that ain't gorgeous. I'm at my consignee right now in Arizona. Look how big that cactus is. YouTube, so now they got your boy hauling, looks like either cardboard or trash, I don't know, but I gotta back into either door 9 or 10 when it's my turn. I got a truck ahead of me, so I'm gonna be waiting here for a little bit. She said whatever door opens first, 9 or 10, just back into it. So I guess I'm gonna be hauling all these big blocks of compressed cardboard. So truck drivers haul all kind of things, all kind. All right, y'all, so I'm at my consignee, but you know what I'm saying, it ain't shit to do, so let me go ahead and light one up for the one time.